My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
Hey guys, today I will be showing you the new Valentine's update leaks and other information about it. Let's begin. To start off the video, we have this update which was posted by Zach. In an upcoming update, we will be introducing a new duo pose system. Duo poses will be more detailed and work with any rigs together. Check out one of the new poses below. Here is them in a close-up shot. As you see here, it looks like any gender could pick up another one. I think it's really cool, and I can't wait until it comes out. Next on the list, we have this Valentine's Day dress which was leaked by Diane. I personally think this dress is gorgeous, and I think it might become a VIP item, because there's a top that looks just like it in VIP, but that's just my guess. We also have this new title which is very detailed. It is very cute. Now putting aside the Valentine's update, let's take a look at the goals for 2025. As we move into 2025, we wanted to share some of our goals we have set for ourselves for the early part of this year. We want to make sure we're communicating with you and sharing our thoughts and aspirations for the game with you, so that you know what to expect. Naturally, none of these are guarantees and we don't promise we can't make them happen, but we will try. Starting off with the first goal, optimize any remaining old items that are causing lag in game, but keep them as close to the original as possible. We know you love the items in DTI, so we want to try to stay true to them, while still freeing up data so we can continue to add more in the future. Now for the second goal, find a new solution so that dressing rooms can be removed. This may take some time, but we know dressing rooms aren't your favorite. We're going to explore options to find a different solution for all of the items inside of them. I actually love this idea of removing the dressing rooms. I hope they make it a button you can press on the screen, because if they do that, we won't have to waste time walking over to them. Now we have the third goal, to deal with the lag issues caused by so many items being added over time, and the fact we know you don't want old items to be removed. We plan to experiment with a new system for events. The base game items will always stay, and we will add more occasionally. However, we think we should try releasing event items only during the event, therefore, then taking them back out of the game after the event to make space for the next event. In other words, we would have the main base game and a seasonal items section for the current event. Winter, Valentine's, Halloween, etc., so that we aren't just piling more and more items on top of each other and then having to remove old ones to make space. We know you don't want old items to be removed, so we think seasonal event items may be a good solution for that. Any reward items, like advent or quests, will always stay in your inventory. There was a lot of backlash with this idea of taking out event items, so they eventually scrapped that idea. However, I still hope they find a way to reduce lag, because I do get bad lag strikes here and there. On to the fourth goal, add more items that give value to the game, that aren't too similar to items already in the game. We saw how much you love the graphic tees, so we definitely want to add more buildable items you can have fun with. Lastly, the fifth goal, focus on making makeup and faces fit more varied skin tones better. We heard that many of you who play with dark-skinned characters are struggling to find faces that fit, and we want you to be able to express yourselves in the same way as everyone else. Although it's not a problem for me, I like the idea of making the makeup inclusive for all skin tones, as this will help make people's outfits more accurate and realistic. Then BELALASLAY goes on to say this: we wanted to write a post about this now, rather than wait, because we know this is a topic you have felt very strongly about. We heard you. We know you don't like the idea of seasonal items rotating, so we have scrapped that idea. Thank you for your feedback. We think we have now found a solution to the cluttered dressing rooms and lag within the map, which will allow our core gameplay to be the same while still keeping seasonal items after updates too. Here's our idea. There will be chests or closet or some other object to interact with around the map. One for Valentine's Day collection, one for winter collection, one for Halloween collection, and so on after a seasonal update ends, as long as you played at some point during the update. the items will transfer into their chest, rather than being in the map or in the dressing rooms. You would then walk up to the chest, click to open it, and a menu would open with the seasonal items inside. This means they will be organized by holiday or collection, and not be just shoved into the dressing rooms or map. In addition, it also means we will avoid the lag issues caused by masses of items being in the main map. The items would be on display in the map during the seasonal event, but would then move to their chest after the event ends, making them still accessible, but not contributing lag to the map. The chests will also be decorated to match their season, making it clear where those seasonal items are located. This would only apply to seasonal items added in 2025 onwards. All items currently in the map will stay in the map for good. Non-seasonal items would always remain in the map, old or new. Additionally, we could then bring back the code items to a button on screen, which is something we know you want to have back. We do want to be clear. This will take some time. We can aim to have this ready by our next big event update, but please do be patient. It won't be ready super quickly. We think this may solve a lot of the problems while also taking into consideration your feedback. Let us know what you think to this idea. We hope you like it as much as we do. This is saying that they're trying to move the code items to a button, like how it was in the early stages of Dress to Impress. Next, we will also be getting some new body types. Let's read this old announcement. We are adding plus-size body type to Dress to Impress. Frankly speaking, my previous skill wasn't enough to make this type of body. Don't blame anyone else for that. It's my fault. Now, I think I did it. And I hope you guys like this body, cause I love it so much. But I need your feedback. Oh, and one more thing. It will take us a while to add these inclusive bodies due to us having to rework over 400 items, but we are dedicated to releasing them in-game by. Here is the body. I think adding different body types is a good idea. As it could help promote body positivity. Now going back to the Valentine's update, the creators have also confirmed that the granny dress will come back during this upcoming update. Now that's all with the update info. Before the video ends, I'll give you all the available DTI codes before it expires. Look at all these codes. Thank you for watching. If you made it to the end, comment. And don't forget to check out my other videos. Goodbye everyone.